Hello, good morning students. Your science period is started now. As I told you in my previous video that crops are very important for us because food is very important for us. Without taking food we can't survive, we can't grow, we can't development not take place without food. So food is very essential. As you know students that our food should be of three types. Energy giving food, that is carbohydrate, body building food, that is proteins, and third one is what? Fats, which are protective food, which are said to be protective. So our food should contain all these three ingredients. So if food contains all these three, the food is said to be balanced. Our diet is said to be balanced diet. Now today I am going to tell you about few important points here which is written in the book. Crop. As you know, this is plant of wheat, but if wheat plant is sown and grown at large scale in a particular area, then this plant is said as crop. किसी भी प्लांट को जब लार्ज स्केल पे हम ग्रो करते हैं सेम फील्ड में, तब उसको हम कहते हैं क्रॉप. ठीक है. Crop production is very important because without crop, without food, without seed, without grain, without cereals, any living organism cannot survive. So it is very essential to produce agricultural product or crop in field. It is very essential. In India, various types of crops are sown. लाइक सीरियल क्रॉप्स, इसको हम सीरियल क्रॉप बोलते हैं. वीट, राइस, मेज, मस्टर्ड इज ऑयल क्रॉप. ऑल दीज मेज, वीट एंड राइस, दीज ऑल आर नोन एज सीरियल क्रॉप. ओके. सेकेंड टाइप इज पल्सेस क्रॉप लाइक अरहर, pea, gram. All these crops are known as pulses crop. Third category is spices. All spices like cardamom and all these things all spices come from plants, and they are grown in crop field. Understand? So crops are of many types. Many major crops are grown in India to give a balanced diet to ourselves. Understand? Now come to agriculture, the scientific way through which we can grow plant, we can grow any crop, and we can obtain high yield of that crop is known as agriculture. What is agriculture? The scientific way of producing a large yield through crop is known as agriculture. Understood? Now, agricultural practices. What are agricultural practices? I think all of you well understood about agriculture, about crop. There is basic difference between crop and plant. Plant is single. And when the same type of plant is grown on a piece of land for high crop yield, then that plant is known as crop. जैसे इस समय आप देख रहे होंगे अपने चारों तरफ, ये जो वीट का क्रॉप है वो क्या हो गया, राइपेन हो गया. अब क्या होगा उस क्रॉप का क्या होगा, उस क्रॉप की हार्वेस्टिंग की जाएगी इस अप्रैल मंथ में. ठीक है. सो स्टूडेंट्स, agricultural practices. What do you mean by agricultural practices? Agricultural practices means various steps which are involved to produce a crop is known as agricultural practice. Understood? Now, what are these agricultural practices? These agricultural practices include many steps. Out of those steps, first step is preparation of soil. It is the first very important practice of agricultural practice. Soil preparation. What is soil preparation? Let us know. Before sowing a seed, soil should be prepared. Soil preparation. Before sowing seed, soil should be prepared. Why soil should be prepared? Because for germination of seeds, oxygen is very essential. Take the plant use that oxygen which are present in between soil molecules. Understood? So, aeration, proper aeration of soil is very essential for proper germination of any seed. Clear? Now, what subheadings come into soil preparation? Number one is ploughing. I think all of you heard this name of ploughing. Ploughing means to plough the soil by any method. In our country, ploughing is done by two methods. First one is manual method of ploughing. And second one is manual, you can say it is traditional by bullocks, and second one is modern method which is done by cultivator with tractors. This is modern method. This one is manual or traditional or old method of ploughing. Plough is an instrument which is used to plough the soil. Plough is an agricultural instrument by which ploughing is done. Understood? Now, you can see the peak of this plough, which is made up of iron, in your book, and you can I think all of you well understood about कल्टीवेटर आप सबने देखा है, वो ट्रैक्टर से लगा हुआ जो कल्टीवेटर होता है वो क्या करता है, नीचे की सॉइल को वो ऊपर पलट देता है। इससे क्या होता है, इससे सॉइल बना होता है सॉइल के मॉलिक्यूल्स, और इन सॉइल के मॉलिक्यूल्स में प्रॉपर एरेशन होता है। इसी वजह से ड्यू टू दिस रीजन any seed can germinate into the soil molecule. If air is not present in between soil molecules, then it is very difficult for germination of seed. बहुत ही मुश्किल हो जाएगा किसी भी सीड का जर्मिनेट होना। ठीक है, सो स्टूडेंट्स, प्रिपरेशन ऑफ सॉइल इज वेरी एसेंशियल फॉर प्रॉपर ग्रोथ एंड डेवलपमेंट, फॉर प्रॉपर जर्मिनेशन ऑफ सीड इनटू द सॉइल। Clear? Now, come to second step. As written in your book, second step is, this is first step. First step, as written in your book, second step is sowing of seed. Sowing doesn't mean that put the seeds into the soil and they will grow. नहीं, ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं है। किसी भी सॉइल में, कैसी भी सॉइल में हम अगर इसको डाल देंगे डालेंगे सीड को तो वो सीड जर्मिनेट नहीं हो जाएगा। फॉर प्रॉपर जर्मिनेशन ऑफ सीड, एज आई टोल्ड यू अर्लियर दैट फॉर प्रॉपर जर्मिनेशन ऑफ सीड soil should be maintained, soil should be prepared। ठीक है। सो व्हाट इज सोविंग? सोविंग तो सबको पता है, सीड को जब हम रखते हैं सॉइल के भीतर इसको हम सोविंग करते हैं। अब ये सोविंग भी कई तरीके से की जाती है। सोविंग इज डन बाय नंबर 1 ब्रॉडकास्टिंग मेथड। What is this broadcasting method? ब्रॉडकास्टिंग मेथड से कभी सोविंग करते हुए देखा है आपने सीड को? एक किसी भी कंटेनर में सॉइल को ले लेते हैं और इस कंटेनर से सॉइल को निकाल के यूं सीड को निकाल के हम सॉइल में डालते चले जाते हैं। इस मेथड को हम कहते हैं ब्रॉडकास्टिंग मेथड। ठीक है। हमने किसी भी कंटेनर में सीड्स को ले लिया, उन सीड्स को हम ब्रॉडकास्ट कर रहे हैं, ब्रॉडकास्ट ऐसे फेंक दे रहे हैं, तो ये जहाँ भी गिरेगा ये हमारा सीड वहाँ जर्मिनेट कर जाएगा, क्योंकि सॉइल वहाँ पे पहले से प्रिपेयर्ड है। क्लियर? सेकेंड मेथड इज थ्रू सीड ड्रिल मशीन। सेकेंड मेथड ऑफ सोइंग सीड इज सीड ड्रिल मशीन। Students, about this seed drill machine, how we can sow seed by seed drill machine, we will study in later online class. This is all about today. Now get ready for whatever I am going to ask to you. Understand? Be ready, students.